Today's video is going to be interesting because
I am a Windows user. I love using Windows for its plethora of customization with soft mods, compatibility, gaming, and productivity. But Linux has always been very fascinating to me. I've always wanted to firmly grasp a proper trial of Linux to see what it's like. Today's video idea is pretty simple. I want to see if I'm able to join the dark side while completing a set of goals within the Linux VM that I will be running. Will I be able to make the switch? Let's find out. Before we begin this video, I want to explain all the goals that I have set for the Linux VMs that I will be running. And you might be wondering, what are the distros that I'm going to be trying out? Well, I'm going to be trying Ubuntu, KDE, Fedora, and Zorin OS. So my goals will be to set up a VM, run Minecraft Bedrock natively. And if I can't do that, then numbers 2, 3, and 4 will be eliminated. Goal number 3. Use vibrant visuals and achieve the highest possible frame rate. Goal number 4. Play a Skywars game on the Hive. What? I'm a Bedrock main, okay? Goal number 5. Find a reliable Roblox modded client only to change the font. Goal number 6. Install a Steam game. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Oh, look at that wallpaper. Can I... Okay. I was able to do this on Ubuntu, but it's looking like I can't do it on here. That's stupid. Oh, wait! I saw something. Ah! Yes! Okay. Get me here! Oh, shit. Little bouncy bounce. I like that. I really wish that more OSs did something like this, though. Where it shows the, the resolution of the screen. Like, why don't more OSs do something like that? There we go. Okay. Also, look at this. Yeah, this is what I was kind of, yeah. That is a very, very good question. But I don't know how to do that. Guest additions. Guest additions! I completely forgot about that. Alright, so how do I... Let's see. Oh, do I need to... So, do I just press a Control C again? Okay. Devices. Insert guest CD. Unable to insert... Oh, what? Oh, god damn it. For some reason, my brain keeps doing that. Like, my laptop is MSI. When I was testing out weird Roblox, like, OS things, one of them told me to name the computer, or the OS, rather, and I name it RSI. Roblox Star International. Alright, well... We're going ahead and doing this. While we're doing this, I'm gonna see if there's like a dark mode I can turn on. Colors and themes, there we go. Oh yeah, no, I don't. Okay. I'm gonna do dark. There we go. Oh, is this just always gonna... Okay, that's fine, I guess. I will say, though, I do like the minimize button being with, like, a down arrow. I always found that fun. Like, a big difference between... Yeah, like, different OSs and stuff. If you look in my videos, you can see that I have the DeX border. Like, the little top title bar. I have a Samsung phone. And I've used Samsung DeX for a little while. So this is the old one that I had for my OBS and stuff. And in my videos, you'll see that I'm using this exact one. I like how, like, when different companies do unique things. Like, for example, the full screen one, or the maximize, rather. The maximize button is literally like a full screen button. Come to think of it, Apple also did that with their Mac as well. And I think I can show this off because I have an iPad. AirPlay. Oh, shit! That's built in? Oh my god, that is built in? I don't even need to install PowerToys for that? Holy crap, okay. Alright, so this is my iPad here. And I'm gonna turn on the setting that will allow me to do this. If I do this, you can see... Yeah, there you go. It's like there's that little full screen button, it's like that. So then we have the minimize button. I like it, but to be honest, on an iPad, it kind of messes with the flow in a lot of cases, especially when using GarageBand.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so my ramen's cooking now, and I have some updates. We're all done. I just need to restart. All right, I'm just gonna do it and see what happens. If I somehow fucked everything up, I will not be surprised because I usually. I think I might have. I think we're going through the setup again. God damn it. God damn it. Okay, please. Please tell me I didn't break anything. I think I might. I think I might have, but... Oh, yep, I definitely have. God fucking damn it. I'm such an idiot. I mean, I'm not an idiot. Who am I kidding? At least I am trying it, though. I am... Yeah, if anything, I'm the problem. Yeah. You can call me the problem if you want. I actually am going to. I will take that because I removed the damn drive, okay? I don't know what else you want me to see. Okay, so these are windows. I know that for sure. Yeah, no, I think I need these ones. Yeah. So we're not an ARM device, and this is Linux. So I think this one I might need to run, right? I'm sending it. Press return to close the window. So is that it then? So I'm just gonna do a good old shutdown. When this boots up, I'm gonna try and drag this into the VM. See if that works. Oh shit. Okay. There's something else I need to put in. Oh wait, something happened. It did it. Okay. Do we have more screen resolutions? Oh, yeah, yes we do. That is exactly what I was looking for. Keep. What's the taskbar thing called? Is it like taskbar or something like that? Oh, wait, cursors. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wait, you don't? How do I move it then? Right click. Show panel configuration. Oh! Oh, what? Wait, hold on. Oh. That's weird. That is so weird. That is crazy. All right, let's get Steam. Wait, hold the phone. Hold it. Hold it. I just remembered something and I don't even know if it's in here. I'm getting sidetracked again and I don't care. There's the hell are you? Okay. I don't know if this exists in like newer versions, but I know there's something that exists. Yeah, here you go, wobbly windows. Whee! Yeah, there we go. That's another thing that I like about like this one, because I've seen people do it. It's freaking hilarious. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. All right, help me out here. Ah! I don't see the third goal or the fourth goal going well, to be honest. All right. What is this? Oh no. Okie dokie. Oh. You know what? I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna shut down and do the settings. Yeah, I'll be back. So it looks like Uno is done downloading. So I'm going to go through the whole process of, you know, setting it up and stuff like that. So I'll be right back in just a few seconds. So yeah, I can't do this. For the third distro I'm going to be using Fedora. That is my next step. But let's hit finish first, and I'm going to bring open the settings here. That's a nice sound. It is KDE. So that's not so it's not going to be too dissimilar from Neon. Oh wait, this one's actually doing full screen. Or is it because of the scaled? Oh, what the hell? What the heck? Whoops. Alright. Oh, wow, okay, so it actually already did that. I don't know what that was. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I just do? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What's going on? Uh-oh. You can see the lag behind. Alright, this is on Florida yet. I don't know if I need to turn this on, so I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, so while Fedora was installing, my PC ran out of storage, and I tried to, you know, go into my, Explorer and everything to try and see if I can clear anything, and then this shows up! Like, what is this? I have literally never seen this before. Oh, that's so crazy. Alright, so we're all set up. Yeah. Exit to live desktop. I am going to do a quick restart, because you can see the mouse is laggy as heck. So I will be right back. I did not even notice this image. Oh, security updates. Last time I didn't do this. Maybe I should do it this time. It would probably be smart if I did. Okay, so a lot of things just went wrong after my storage ran out again, and the VirtualBox reported it aborted. So we'll see if I royally goofed anything up. I'm hoping not, but knowing me, I probably did. Oh, okay, I didn't mess everything up. Okay, so I need to add the guest editions. Here we go. Can't mount image. machine has no optical drive. Excuse me? Excuse me, that is a lie. There's an IDE controller right here. What do you mean there's no optical drives? Fantastic. 972 updates! So, you'll never believe what just happened. I was on the login screen, and I focused VirtualBox and pressed Control F9 to start recording. Oh, good job. Uh-oh. It's whenever the desktop starts to load. Okay, so everything that we were shown before was in an older version of Plasma. So now I'm in the latest Plasma, but I need to freaking... Wait, what's this? Oh. What do you mean, what's this? What did I think was gonna happen? Let's move on. Let's move swiftly on. Actually, I need to do one more thing. I'm gonna try one more. Freaking habit! For those that don't know why I'm right-clicking the start button or whatever the flip it's called on Linux, basically, this happens when you right-click the start button. You get this. And I much prefer, and you know, since I've been using Shadow PC and everything, I've been right-clicking the start button, shut down or sign out, shut down or restart, depending on what I'm doing between the two. Breaking this habit is gonna take a long time. I know Alt F4 brings this up, but I don't use that. And clicking the start menu also has that thing, but like, I'm just so used to right-clicking, you know? So, Fedora is proven to be better, but also in terms of VirtualBox, probably a little worse. But I don't know, I'm still in the setup phase. Minecraft. Minecraft was not found in the available sources. Okay, fantastic. Why is it red? I don't know why it's red, but it's red. At this point, the launcher and the guest editions didn't want to work, so I eventually moved on to Steam. And let's just keep the results how they are. Now, I'm not expecting this to completely, I'm not expecting this to start, because with the previous patterns, when I tried to start something, it just didn't want to work for whatever reason. Okay, here we go. Oh, right. God. That's exactly what happened. Literally just mimicked the same thing as what happened before. Oh my god. The next distro I'm going to be trying out is Zorin OS. I'm just now powering up the VM now. So, yeah, here it is. There we go. So yeah, supposedly this is the best of both worlds when it comes to using Windows or Mac and switching over to Linux. So this one shouldn't be that hard to, you know, get the hang of and stuff like that. Okay, there we go. Already we got further than before, so that's good. Also, I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm tired. I actually just woke up like a few hours ago as of recording, so yeah. And also, there was like a $50 version. The Pro version was $50. There's no way I'm paying for that just for one singular VM that I'll never use again. Since this is kind of bridging Windows and Linux together, I wonder if I can actually run like actual like executables. If that's the case, that'd be cool. I also like how this using the VirtualBox logo there. Oh, there it is, Zoran. Alright. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Black screen. Oh, there's the loading sign. Okay, we're greeted with Mac OS. Sort of style. If I learned anything from KDE Neon, I'll have to wait for that context menu. Holy crap, that's cool. Alright, so the installation is installed. Let me remove the medium real quick. I did some research and I was trying to figure out what this was like, you know, combined with, but I didn't really see much. All I saw was that it was an alternative to Windows or Mac OS, but in the little console thing as it was updating, it was talking about Lindos or something like that. We'll see if we can actually get far. I don't think we'll be able to get too far. But we're gonna have to see. Firstly, I'm gonna do some heavy exploration to see what's going on. So, settings are done. Let me do more settings adjustments. 3D exploration. Okay, I think we're good. So let's just start this and get started. What? Whatever. I just had to try to see what happened. Let me just have an X. I'm worried. Oh, here we are. Windows. The Windows I prefer. Okay, that's another... Oh, that's the style I prefer! You can see that's how my status bar is. Or status bar, the taskbar. Yeah, it's fine. Alright. Let's install. Be right back yet again. Okay, so look at this. Previously I removed the ISO. I didn't need to do it because it just emptied. Oh my god. Not necessary note. Yeah. I mean... Thanks. Menu. Change the appearance. Wait, what? Install again. Wait! There's a button that installs... What? Oh my god. That is the first time that I've ever seen that happen. Oh, here we go. There's the theme. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I actually quite like that, to be honest. Does this also come with Firefox? Because if not, I got to just probably install Firefox. Control your L. This thing has a Steam Deck thing? Firefox. It's kind of dumb how how all the other distros come with Firefox to boot. When this one I actually do install. I mean, I get it makes sense, but like, I prefer Firefox. Whoa, what is this? Is this the... Oh my god, it's the Windows 11 thing. Sidebar real quick. Sidebar. It's funny. I didn't mean to do that. I don't use it all the time, but having this little thing here is actually pretty cool. Like I said, I don't use it all the time, but whenever I do use it, it's cool. Now I'm curious, does hovering over the... Let me see. Uh-oh. And just like all Ubuntu-based systems, the cursor is now broken. Oh, never mind, we're good. Okay, so we hover over this then.
No. Just, whoa. What the hell? Someone help me out here. Does the plasma distros do this? With the jelly mode? Wait. Take a screenshot? Whoa. Okay, it's a little bit buggy. Oh. Is this the Android calculator? No. Apparently Firefox is installed. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh, wait a minute. FlatHub's on here. Hold on. It's the damn Mac OS. I don't know about any of you, but I really love this animation. Minecraft. Oh. Okay, so of course it's gonna have... Wait a minute. This is the legacy launcher. So we got the Twitter Minecraft launcher. Quadrant. Labby mod is in here. Weird. I have something else that I want to try out. If this works, I'm going to be heavily surprised. Wait, fractional scaling. Oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, that's still the bottom. Good. Where's Firefox? I need to drag this into here. Along with the settings. Huh, I like how the settings icon looks like the Android one. Right. Damn it. We have an icon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you don't even need to double click it to run it? Jeez. Oh my god. This has it all. This might be cool. Oh. I just gotta... I'm not even streaming. I already got a... Oh, fantastic. Alright. And it just did the same thing that the other ones did. Well, I exhausted everything, and I can safely say that Minecraft is not on the menu. However, what about Steam? Half-Life. I have no mouse controls. Sonic Mania. Come on, please. Please run. Up until now, I've had crashes for Windows games. Please tell me that Sonic Mania on Zorin OS will be any different. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a window. A very crackly window. Nope. Now, I'm gonna be on mouse and keyboard, so I'm gonna suck. You know what? For your sanity's sake, I'm just gonna overlay something here. It's running. Just barely, but it's running. Wait, how do I... Oh, it's... Okay, so it's WASD. Oh. One of my jump buttons didn't register for a second there. Got scared. Even this is sluggish. Here, I'm gonna unmute this so that you can hear what I'm hearing now.
Okay, you know what? I think I've seen enough. You know, I'm actually surprised that we got this far in Zorin OS. It's actually proven a lot better than the other ones that I've done. So in conclusion, I cannot use Linux as my main driver. I'm sticking with Windows because I can't really, you know, use anything of what I was trying to do. Except on Zorin, where I could only play Steam games. If you want to see some stuff on Zorin, or if you want me to do anything like fix something that I may have done, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you want to see more content like this, which I don't know why you would, I'm just messing around, by the way. I'm just goofing. Let me know by leaving a like, subscribing, ringing the bell, and yeah, let me know what you want to see. Like I said, either if you want me to fix something or anything like that. But with that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.